나에게 돌아오기가 어렵고 힘든 걸 알아.
Hello everyone, this is Fai. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to look fresh when you are hungover in the morning after drinking the previous night. Let's get started. Drinking can give you a puffy face in the morning and make your skin drier. So it's really important to moisturize the skin before applying the makeup.
You read music? No.
To reduce the appearance of puffy face, I like to massage the area around my eyes and my cheeks a little bit. And a primer can give a glowy effect which makes the face look brighter. And then after the base steps, I'm gonna apply the BB cream onto my face. In my case, my dark circles look more obvious because of the hangover, so I'm gonna cover it with a cream concealer. This concealer has a thicker texture than a normal liquid concealer, so it can stay the whole day. For the eye makeup, as the base eyeshadow, I'm gonna apply pinkish beige color onto my lids. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Since it's hard to focus on doing something when I have a hangover, it's easier to use the eyebrow powder to draw the eyebrow. Moving on to the face contour. I'm gonna shade my nose with a shading powder. And also apply it onto the outline of my face, focusing more on the side of my face around the cheeks to reduce the puffiness. To make it more practice and easier, I'm gonna use my fingers to apply the eyeshadow. First, I'm gonna apply matte eyeshadow onto the upper lid. And then the glitter shadow onto the lower lid. After that, I'm gonna apply the liquid glitter on top of it. Next, I'm gonna line my eyes with a brown liquid liner. And then I'm gonna take a shimmery brown shadow and apply it onto the other three and blend it inwards evenly. And then apply the falsies. Anyway, I like to skip the mascara when I don't really have mood to do my makeup. And then I'm gonna apply the highlighter onto the center feathers on my face. And next I'm gonna apply the dark orange blusher onto the apple of my cheeks. Last, for the lips, I'm in the mood for gradation lips, so I'm gonna use two colors to create it. and then the makeup is done. That's it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial can be helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe if you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.